In this video, I'll show you how to make an easy, budget-friendly baby changing station setup that fits perfectly, even in the tiniest of spaces. So in order to be able to bath our daughter and easily change her in the bathroom, I had to make this fold-out diaper changing station because there is not much space here for anything else. If using the bathroom regularly, you'd have trouble walking in and out with this being kind of in the way. So I wanted a fold-out changing station, and so I thought I would spend about an hour to make this. It only took me an hour. Unfortunately, I didn't film this. So initially I grabbed this mattress, this changing mattress, and then I made sure that the plywood that supports the mattress is just big enough to accommodate the mattress, and then I screwed in a piece of wood to make sure that this doesn't fall out. It's also secured by these straps screwed into the plywood, and this little thing is normally designed to keep the baby on top, but we only use it when we're actually next to the baby, so there's no chance of the baby falling off. And then I made sure I found another scrap piece of plywood that's the same width as the top, and the reason why I put this plywood there is so that I could easily screw into the studs and make sure that it's nice and secure against the wall. Because if I just installed the brackets straight to the drywall wouldn't be able to hold the table as well, and it wouldn't be in the exact place like I would want it to be. It's also resting on the baseboard here for extra leverage, and it works really well. So all you need is a bunch of plywood, these brackets which are like 25 bucks. They can take 300 pounds or about 150 kilograms of weight. So even I could sit on this and it wouldn't break. So they work like a charm. I definitely recommend doing this. And I will probably be using these brackets in the future for other projects as well, because they're awesome. They work so well. And yeah, once you store it away, there's a lot of space. All right, click over here to check out another one of my projects where I actually make things and you can watch me make stuff. Bye.